Hi, my name is Jason. Back in October, I took the electrical exam class and it really was helpful. Reasons why I thought it was helpful was because the methods that Sam teaches you in that course are really things that are simple, straightforward, and he shows you how to transform difficult formulas that are in the code book, but he breaks it down in his own way to deliver it in ways that you will totally understand. When I took this course, originally I wanted to take it, but it just wasn't working out with the way that it landed with. I already had my test being booked. So what I did from there was I just canceled my test, and I'm like, I know this course is probably going to be the best thing for me to do and take. So I canceled my test, did the course, and then went in. Doing so, I really ended up excelling with all the methods and things that were taught, and also with that Canadian Electrical Practice Exam app from CSA. Now, some of you guys might not want to even pay $100 for that app, but that app is very helpful because it's 10 times harder than the actual CFQ test itself, and overall, it's going to be worth it. I would highly recommend you to take this course because it's worth every penny and it will help you pass, guaranteed.